So let's take a look at our formula sheet for this chapter. We'll start off with interest, where a future value is equal to a present value times 1 plus or minus the interest rate to the exponent time. F is the future value, P is the present value, R is the interest rate as a decimal, and T is time. Lots of teachers use different letters. This formula in the top right-hand corner is to be disregarded. That is for foundation students and students who are going to be going to business school in the future. Now we're going to talk about the same formula with compounding. So notice we've just taken the R and divided it by n and taken the T and timesed it by n, where n is the number of compounding periods per year. So if we compound yearly, n is 1, monthly, n is 12, weekly, n is 52, daily, n would be 365, excuse me. When we're working with growth and decay, we're usually going to use this formula. F is still the same, P is still the same, but the growth rate R will want to use this table, specifically the right-hand side, whereby we actually just put in a rate. Now T is still time that's occurred, but capital T is the time specifically for that growth rate of R to occur. So if it doubles in a week, capital T would be 1. If it doubles in 5 weeks, capital T would be 5, etc. Now, if we see the word continuous growth, we're going to be using this formula. Future equals present E, the constant Euler's number, 2.71, and K, the proportional constant of growth. A couple of methods that we're going to see. Arbitrarily set P equal to 100% or 100 or 1. If we're going to be talking about intensity, we're going to use the formula I equals 10 to the B minus S. We're going to do that for earthquakes and pH. Now remember, if we have a sound question, we have to divide by 10. Included at the bottom is all of our grade 9 exponent laws. Change of base, add the exponents, multiply the exponents, subtract the exponents, negative exponents, fractional exponents, and a little bit more on negative exponents. We're going to be using all of these formulas in both this chapter and the next, logarithms, and we have to be absolute ninjas with all of our formulas from grade 9.